Welcome to the Afterspin, opinions from thought leaders in our state. John Hood, the Federal Communications Commission recently sided with the city of Wilson in allowing them to expand their municipal internet service outside the city limits. Now, the city of Fayetteville is considering offering an hour a day of free Wi-Fi to people inside their city limits. You were opposed to the FCC ruling with Wilson. What do you think of Fayetteville's idea?
Not a big fan of it. I don't think the government should be in competition with the private sector. If you want to subsidize particular individuals, where maybe they live in remote locations or something, you can do that. That doesn't mean the government has to be in the business of providing the service. And in this case, the state law of North Carolina is not even that local governments can never be involved in telecommunications. There's simply some rules they have to follow. They can't, for example, take their utility money and cross-subsidize their telecom system. They can't use general revenue. If they're going to issue debt, that has to be approved by the vote of the people. These are common sense rules to prohibit abuse of power by local governments in competition with private firms.
In Fayetteville's case, though, they're going to be doing this in conjunction with Time Warner Cable.
I know. That's why I'm not crazy about it, because I'm a little worried about precedent. I want to see the details of it. But it's not like the Wilson case. Wilson has its own system that is in direct competition with private firms. And remember, cable doesn't just compete with cable. It competes with satellite. It competes with other kinds of providers, even cell companies. So this is an increasingly competitive market. I think the government should, as much as possible, butt out.
Well, thank you for watching the Afterspin. We'll have more video all during the week on ncspin.com.